Welcome back to my channel. Did you know your hair could grow faster if your scalp had just the right micronutrients in oil form? Today, I'll reveal 10 unique oils, including 3 you've probably never heard of, each scientifically proven to wake up dormant hair follicles. 10 oils that actually make hair grow faster, science-backed. Hair fall, thinning, and slow growth, it's not your fault. Most popular oils only coat your hair strands. The real growth comes from nourishing your scalp and follicles at a cellular level. I'm going to share 10 unique oils that science says can actually activate hair follicles and boost growth naturally. 1. Regrowth oil, carrier oil. Science contains Eclipta alba compounds that strengthen follicles, reduce hair fall, and promote faster regrowth. Massage 2 to 3 drops into scalp 2x per week for 10 minutes. 2. Batana oil, carrier oil. Science. Rich in fatty acids, it nourishes dry hair and repairs damaged follicles. Study shows it can improve hair shine and thickness in just weeks. Apply as a hot oil treatment before shampooing. 3. Moringa oil, carrier oil. Science. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E+ proteins, moringa oil strengthens hair strands and improves scalp circulation, stimulating follicle growth. Mix 1 teaspoon with coconut oil and apply to scalp weekly. 4. Black seed oil, carrier oil. Science contains thymoquinone, a natural DHT blocker that reduces hair loss and promotes new follicle activation. Massage 1 teaspoon into scalp every other day for visible results. 5. Tamanu oil, carrier oil. Science. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties protect follicles from damage and accelerate regrowth. Apply 2 drops to problem areas, leave overnight. 6. Onion oil, carrier oil. Onion oil contains high amounts of sulfur and antioxidants that boost keratin production, improve scalp blood circulation, and reactivate dormant hair follicles, leading to faster hair regrowth. Massage warm onion oil gently into the scalp for 10 minutes, leave it on for 1 to 2 hours, or overnight for best results, then wash with a mild shampoo. Use 2 to 3 times a week for visible regrowth. 7. Castor oil, carrier oil. Science. Ricinoleic acid increases circulation to the scalp, thickens hair, and reduces breakage. Mix with coconut or batana oil for best results. 8. Rosemary oil, essential oil. Science enhances scalp circulation, increasing follicle oxygenation and nutrient delivery. Studies show it boosts growth similar to minoxidil without side effects. Mix 3 drops with carrier oil before massaging. 9. Cedarwood oil, essential oil. Science balances scalp oil production and reduces follicle inflammation, leading to stronger hair roots. Add 3 to 5 drops to your weekly scalp massage routine. 10. Peppermint oil, essential oil. Science. Menthol stimulates blood flow and induces anagen growth phase in hair follicles. Proven in studies to increase hair thickness. Dilute 2 drops in carrier oil, apply 5 to 10 minutes before washing. DIY hair mask, bonus tip. For a powerhouse hair mask, mix 2 drops of rosemary plus 1 teaspoon batana plus 1 teaspoon Regrowth oil. Massage into scalp for 10 minutes, leave overnight, and wash in the morning. Repeat 2x per week for noticeable results. Now it's your turn. Which of these oils are you excited to try first? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed haircare tips and DIY remedies. Thank you for watching.